Hello and welcome to this first lecture on this new topic on content creation and curation in this course AI for Marketing and Advertising Excellence. So in this section, we will give you an in-depth view of how to build excellence in content creation and curation using AI. And we will begin by talking about how to draft marketing copy, blog posts, and social media content, and even ad scripts, right? So how do you think you can, draft marketing copies, blog posts, social media content, and even ad scripts using AI tools? Any thoughts? So, AI has become a very powerful tool for creating marketing content at scale. That's the key thing. So, creating marketing content at scale without sacrificing quality. And how can you use AI to draft these things? Let us take a look at the various steps that you need to take. Right. So first thing you need to know is to use AI for different types of content. For each type of content, there is a different methodology. Let's see how can you do that. So if you have marketing copy, what AI can do for you is write product descriptions, landing page copies, email headlines, CTS. For blog posts, it can generate outlines, full length articles, SEO optimized content. For social media content, it can write, things like creating engaging posts tailored for LinkedIn, Instagram, X, etc. And for ad scripts, it can draft scripts for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reel, TV, or audio ads, right? So that's what AI can do for each type of content. Then you need to know what are the tools that you need to use for AI content generation. And here are some of the list of recommended tools. At the top of the list, you have ChatGPT, Cloud Gemini, which are multi-purpose tools for writing blogs, copy, posts, etc. Then there is Jasper for high converting marketing copy, long form content. Copy AI can be used for short form content, emails, product descriptions. Write Sonic is another one that can be used for ads, blog posts, and landing pages. And Canva Magic Write and Adobe Firefly for social media visuals and posts. So these are some of the AI tools that you can use for content generation. So how to use AI to draft each of these content types that you see here? Let's take a look at that. So for web and email marketing copy, you need to give the right prompts, right? For anything that you want from AI, you need to give the right prompts. So what kind of prompt can you give for marketing copy? So let's look at the prompt structure. The prompt should include things like writing a compelling landing page. The word compelling is important. A page headline and subheadline. Those are the two things you want for your product and services, targeting your audience that solves their pain point that you need to mention, including a strong CTA. So these are some essential elements of your prompt. An example of this would be, if your input is an email marketing tool for small business owners struggling for low open rates, if that's what you want, then your output would be using this prompt structure, a headline that would say skyrocket your open rates without writing a single email. It would write a subheadline that our AI powered email tool crafts irresistible subject lines and automates follow ups. And CTA would include start your free trial today. So that's what a marketing copy you of on web and email would look like. How would you create a blog post and what would be the prompt structure there? So there your prompt structure would include writing an SEO friendly blog post on the topic that you want, you need to mention, targeted at the audience that you need to mention, including a number of point outline, how many, 5 point, 3 point, 10 points, catchy intro and conclusion. And an example of this would be if your topic is top 5 automation trends in 2025, your output could look like this: a title, an intro, a section, and a CTA. And what you need to do is to use AI to generate multiple headlines, intros, or summaries for testing. So that's how the blog posting generation can be done. Then you can use social media content creation using AI. For that, your prompt would look like this. It will say create three variations. You could say five variations. For Instagram caption, if you want to do it for Instagram, for your brand types, announcing what your features of the product are or event is in a tone that is fun, inspirational, or whatever professional, and include the relevant hashtags or anything else that you want. An example of this would be, if you want to do this for a fitness brand launching a new resistance band set, then your output look like what you see here, three possible variation of Instagram caption. And you then can also generate LinkedIn post carousels, tweet threads, and TikTok hooks and short scripts. So that's what you can do for generating social media content. Also, you can create ad scripts. You can generate ad scripts for audio or videos. And there your prompt structure would say, write a 30-second YouTube and ad script for a product and service that you want to mention, targeting the audience, focused on main benefits, including, and it's a include hook, problem, solution, and CTA. And the example of this would be if your product is online career coaching, then your output could be opening hook could say still stuck in your job that you hate. Your problem it will define as you are not alone. Most professionals don't know how to navigate career growth, and then the solution it offers using your career coaching platform. You can get personalized plans, live sessions, and job referrals, and a CTA is to join 10,000 plus professionals who found their dream job. Start your free session today. So that's how an ad script could be generated. So what are the best practices? The best practices first thing is to always review and edit because AI is AI, right? So AI gives you a fast draft, but you need to figure out the right if the human tone and the context is still there because they matter. Then you train AI on your brain voice. Feed examples of your brain tone and vocabulary so that it uses that accordingly. They use A/B test outputs, especially on ads and social content to learn what resonates, and use SEO tools. Combine AI with tools like Surfer SEOs, ClearScope, or RF for blog optimization. So those are some of the best practices for you to use. Let's take a look at workflow automation. You can integrate AI with tools like Zapier and OpenAI to auto-generate emails copies when a new product is added. Notion AI or Google Sheet plus GPT to plan and populate content calendars, and Canva plus AI copy for to design write social posts in one place. So let's summarize how to use AI to draft marketing copy, blog posts, social media content, and even ad script. So you can, for landing pages, what AI can do for you is it can create headlines, CTAs, and benefits. For emails, you can have it create sequences, subject line CTAs. For blog posts, you can have it done. It can generate for you outline, full post, SEO words, keywords, and for social posts, it can create captions, hashtags, hooks, and for ads, it can do scripts for audio and video and taglines. So what do we do next? So let's take a look at another aspect of content creation and curation, and that is to summarize complex topics for easier communication to your audience. And how do we do that? That's what we will discuss in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on content creation and curation in this course, AI for Marketing and Advertising Excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.